Good morning from downtown Austin. Listen to the sound of progress. Today I am taking my favorite group of convivial ladies up into this building here, a luxury condo called 5th and West. But first, brunch at Holy Roller.
We're going to do the building tour first, and then we'll come down and talk about this way. All the way up to the top. Shaped the way it is, how it's cut back on this sort of 45-degree angle. But what that means for everybody on this eastern side of the building is...
And it's so funny because I never had a fear of heights until I got older.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think the two-bedroom that we've got, and we'll walk through that one too. Okay, so kitchen living area here. This is living, dining, and then the master suite through there. A quarter bath. This is our A3 residence. So you walk in, you have a nice open kitchen to the living room, bedrooms to the left here with a balcony. So we would have been
floors y'all have to build this to.
we've been right here.
Yeah, well, that was the very top.
Yeah. So 39 stories total.
Oh, okay.
154 units. So we will concierge, an event space or community room. It'll also consist of a conference room. And then all of the amenities are designed by Michael Shu. So if you're familiar with Uchiko, La Condesa, Mount Verity,